What will you say to mommy? Get your milk.
Thank you.
You say hi.
Hi.
Shake, 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 shake. You shake, shake, shake,
And
shake.
the milk naman, Mommy.
Yan, mamaya mabagsakan ka pa. Kaya nyo kayong tatakbo dyan sa may
Madulas dyan eh.
lumot eh. Napaling ka at meron pa pang...
Eating kind beef, guys. Mommy, I'm feeding Dior. It's flowers.
Yes, it's flowers.
Mommy, it's colorful. Mommy, what's this? Mommy, it's new boys.
Yan po, oh. Look.
I'm eating baggy. I'm eating baggy. I'm eating baggy flower. Hi guys. Mommy, may tinaptor.
Wala pong tinik yan. That's veggies. It's lettuce.
Lettuce. Mama, I like it.
You like it? Dumigay ka pa.
I like it, Mommy.
Oh, you offer it to Lola. Lola, do you want veggies?
Look, veggies.
Datikman ko na yan.
Yan naman. Yan si Wawa.
Oo, natikman na daw po ni Lola yan. You tell them.
I'm so yummy, guys.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Here.
Everything apples. Ah.
Thank you. Dito po kami sa likod ng may bata. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ate. Diyos ko, ang hirap pala ng parking dito. Hindi ko alam.
Noong una dito pinapasok ako, akala ko dito lang sa may ground floor. Meron pa pala silang basement.
Pala kalit yung parking nila. Grabe. Sa bagay kasi sa labas pa lang wala ka na ring space para mag-stop dun. Pang emergency lang talaga. Oh, roller coaster.
Diretso lang po. Thank you. Kanina, sumuko na yung ano eh. Di ba pagdating natin meron na dyan?
Na.
Na naka-park.
Oo.
Diyos ko,
Daan na po ikaw mag-haircut eh. Ate. Daan na po yung haircut mo eh. Gusto niya ulit dun. Sa ganyan.